Welcome to another demo of BigSur.net. In this video, we'll show you how to install Homebrew on a fresh copy of macOS Big Sur, also known as macOS 11. We'll be using Homebrew later to install the latest version of PHP, with a rich set of extensions required by frameworks like CODEIGNITER 4 and Laravel. We'll demonstrate PHP installation using Homebrew in a separate video. I'll start by going to the Homebrew website and copy the command code snippet under the title Install Homebrew. Then I'll go to the Mac Terminal app, paste the code I copied in the command prompt, and then hit the return key. I'll be asked to supply a password for my user account, which is also supposed to have administrative privileges at the Mac's operating system level. Following the on-screen instructions, I may be asked to press the return key or re-enter my password several times at different points in the process. Homebrew makes use of certain software libraries known as Apple's Xcode developer tools. Therefore, if you have not already installed Xcode on your Mac, it will install these libraries first. The developer tools don't contain the Xcode IDE itself, which is typically used for development of iOS and macOS applications, so Homebrew installation will exclude the IDE and related desktop applications. Homebrew installations typically may take a while, although in this video we fast-forwarded some parts for the sake of brevity. Depending on your system and internet bandwidth, it can take up to a couple of hours, so be patient, and do not interrupt the installations to avoid polluting your system library directories with intermediate and premature installation files. At this point, our Homebrew installation is complete. In another video, we'll be demonstrating how to install the latest version of PHP on macOS Big Sur, using Homebrew. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment for this video. Thank you.